The bell rang. The crowd started whistling, piercing whistles that upset his concentration. Rivera was plodding after him now on slow and heavy feet. Pop, pop. Stay one step ahead of him. Jab and jump away. Jab and hook and duck under the swinging arm. Run home, you bum! In and out, one punch at a time, two jabs, and Rivera was grunting. Ugh, ugh, as he tried to find Alfred in the dazzling light and the flying sweat. Pop, pop, hit and run. Back to the jungle, you coward! The boos flooded the ring, and the cat calls burned his ears and the whistles sliced into his brain. Pop, pop, into Rivera's gasping face. A crumpled paper soda cup landed at his foot, and then another. Get in there and fight, black boy! The buzzer sounded. 10 seconds to go. Pop, pop! Get in there and fight, black boy! Pop, pop, you slave! And he drove in. Pop, pop! Hook! Rivera's eyes were wild. Pop, pop, and right cross. Stick and run, Alfred, don't slug! Jab, jab, hook! Right, left! Rivera tried to bring his arms up. Jab, jab! The bell rang, and Rivera slammed a short right uppercut into Alfred's groin. The winner by majority decision, Alfred Brooks. He barely heard it. His legs were soft rubber and a fire was raging in the lower part of his belly. They carried him back to the dressing room and stretched him out on the table. Bud held a small bottle under his nose and the fumes clawed up into his brain and cleared his head. I'm sorry, Brooks. Rivera was standing over him. I didn't mean to. Forget it, kid, snapped Donatelli. Anytime a fighter gets hit anywhere, it's his fault. The circle of faces grew. Spoon, Lou, Epstein, Dr. Corey, Henry, Bud, the gray-haired man, the doctor. Fingers probed. He's sore for a day or two, but he's all right. You can't listen to the crowd, Donatelli was saying, far, far away. They just want to see blood and pain. Leave the boy alone, Vito. But he won, Mr. Donatelli, said Henry. Alfred won. That's not enough.